Hello everyone. Today I will share with you how I use Ali to create a seamless working process, searching the internet, the external knowledge right in Saner.ai. Let's go. So right now, I think you all know about Sky, our personal AI assistant that is routed in your knowledge, enabling you to search and find information within your data. Besides that, we also have Ali, an AI search engine that can search the internet for you right in Saner.ai. So here's how I use Ali. First, when I'm working on something, for example, right here, I'm working on page SEO. If I encounter something I don't know, for example, mobile first indexing, what is that? Okay, I can ask Ali right away. To do that, I go here, choose Ali, turn on the web search, and ask. Ali will searches through the internet and give you the best possible answers. And now I can just skim this answer to know more about mobile first indexing. Okay. But what if I want to go deep into this topic? To do that, I have one tip. First, I put the note, my working document, into the side panel. Now you see the working document is jumped into the side panel. Now I can go to whichever source I like to go deeper about that. For example, I will go into the first source. Okay, so here's the article, and now I have the working document right alongside the article. So if I see something interesting, I can just highlight it, click the shortcut, and it will jump into my working document. So this is the seamless working process I use Ali for. I hope it is helpful and see you in next videos.